Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be changing the oil on the father-in-law's TLX A-Spec. This is 2018, so this is going to be the same for 2015 to 2020. Then after that it's the 2.0 turbo. And this probably looks familiar because this used to be our old TLX. He put some nice Continentals on there. It looks real good. Love those wheels. Super good on gas. These cars are probably one of the best looking Acuras in my opinion that they've ever made. They did a really good job. I still gotta try to find a grill like that to swap it into my car, but yeah, so let's go ahead, get to it. This is a 0W20. They didn't have the OEM, so he bought the Wix filter. Still a good filter. Putting the Restore and Protect full synthetic. So let's go ahead and do that. I believe it's a 14mm bolt underneath, and that's it. That's all you'll need. Turn your steering wheel all the way that way, and that you can just reach your hand under for the filter. Jacked up, some jack stands under there. So oil plug, you just come down right here, and it's gonna be right behind the skid plate. Right behind here, you can feel it. Go ahead and loosen that up. I'm gonna get my oil pan here so I don't make a mess. All right, so I cracked that bolt loose. Now it's just finger loose. There you go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. A little bit there. I'll have to clean that up. Glad I put a cardboard down. Okay, slide it this way. Then you can get your filter at the same time. Those should be just hand tight. If not, then you're gonna need an oil filter tool removal. I don't have one, so hopefully it's just hand tight. I loosened it up a bit already, so it's coming right off. And then, oh, this one has like a little funnel. The didn't have that, but it has a little funnel underneath, so it just bounces it right off. There we go. All right, that's off. Gonna let that drip, clean it up after with a paper towel. I'm gonna start with the oil filter. I just take a little bit of oil, rub it around the ring here. Just tighten that up. Doesn't have to be too tight. Just pretty much like really tight with your hand. And just go ahead and tighten that up. All right, so once you snug up the drain plug and the oil filter, go ahead and put your oil in. So you're gonna go ahead and put 4.3 liters or 4.5 quarts. I'm just gonna put it right to here, leave 1 liter left, check it, and then just slowly fill it up from there, but it should be around like here. And Milo's been hacking, he got bronchitis, not doing good, but got him on some steroids, some other stuff to try to take it away, but hey Milo. Hey buddy. He's 13, so. All right, let's go ahead and pour this in. We started it, and now it's like right at the bottom of the full, so it's about 0.3 away. That's about as much fills in the oil filter. Right on the full, perfect, nice and gold. He said this thing doesn't burn any oil, unlike the J37s. And then there we go, tighten that up. Once it's in accessory mode, so you're just gonna scroll through vehicle settings, maintenance info, oil life reset. So you just go there, scroll down, click reset, reset completed. Now when you get out of this screen, exit. Could be another exit. Exit. There. And your oil life is at 100%.